Ram and Shiva are doing morning exercise. They are doing laps. क्या करते शिवा?
In the morning, first thing, we have to do that and ride the class.
First thing in the morning?
Yeah, first thing in the morning. Yeah. 61.
61?
I did 61 too.
Oh, today you did 61 laps?
Yeah, and last time I did 71.
Okay. How many did you do, Shiva?
61.
61? Good. Now take a deep breath. Backbone straight. Backbone straight. Take deep breaths.
This is the river.
Oh, that is the river.
How many hands he counted? That's how far we were.
So imagine this is the river, right?
Yeah, so this is the river and
Okay.
we have to jump over the river.
Okay, you have to jump over the river.
Yeah.
So this is the river and they have to jump over the river. So Shiva and Ram just finished their morning running exercise, right? And this is the second activity they are doing. What is this? Imagine this is the river.
River.
So the middle, imagine
And every
hidden
time
river.
we jump over it, we extend it a little bit.
Oh, okay. So every time you jump over the river, you extend it for the next time?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the pretend river. Jump over the river. Oh, Ram jumped. Okay, that was a good one, Shiva, right? A good morning exercise. You did 2 activities. That's nice. Now it's brushing time. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Shiva is eating apple? Alright guys, Ram finished eating his banana. Now he wants to do some activity. So this is paint your own rainbow magnet. So it will stick on the fridge. Yeah. So Ram is going to paint this now. Alright guys, here is an important tip. Early in the morning, once they are done with their breakfast or snack, you can give them an activity. It will set their mood for the rest of the day. That's cool. Can you show me?
No, no, no.
No, show me.
It's just special. rainbow.
Ram did his rainbow.
My own rainbow.
Ram's own
Did you
rainbow.
give it?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
With a good little vegetable.
Breakfast time and we are doing table topics. Okay, first tell me what is your favorite song and why is it your favorite? Tell me, Ram.
Bhimla Nayak.
Uh-huh.
Bhimla Nayak had a motorcycle. I didn't know put
Cool
it
motorcycle and actions.
and I taxis. Maybe I don't know what they have. Taxis.
So
they
you
have.
like
Say it.
Naughty, mad, sad.
happy?
No, I don't want that.
Oh, you did the rhyming words.
Wait, really?
Mad and sad.
Yeah. Naughty, mad, sad. Yeah.
Those 2 are rhyming words, Ram.
I know.
Okay, Shiva, ask this question.
Describe the best job you could ever have.
Thank you, Shiva. Wash.
Washing the dishes for my mom.
Oh my God!
Washing
Thank
the
you,
dishes
Ram.
for my mom. I'm helping my mom for everything.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you so much. That is the best job. What special talent would you like to have?
That I would be able to draw anything and be able to make it.
Oh, make it? Invent it, whatever you drew?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Martica.
Okay, one more topic. The question?
What would you like to be famous for?
What would you like to be famous for, Ram?
With a mustache.
You're anyone gonna get one.
Alright, friends, now it's movie time.
What is Ramazan? What are they?
Alright guys, so I use this timer to keep track of how long are they watching TV. So they're watching a movie now for half an hour, and as soon as this bell rings, they will switch off the TV. Alright guys, so a half an hour is done. My kids switched off the TV and they are out now. They are outside. Ram is doing.
I have an idea. So, I'm trying to not make this name go away. I keep
Coloring.
on painting on it. So I got a napkin and
You're coloring. Ram is doing an independent work. He chose to bring those paint outside. He sat down and he's coloring and mixing colors.
I'm mixing colors.
And Shiva just walking and observing. Alright guys, Shiva wanted to help me in the kitchen, so he's cutting brinjal. Today I'm making brinjal masala.
What? What's Brinjal Masala?
This is how you sharpen a knife.
Hello. Yeah. The wangi cut kara tha? Wangi. Hello. हाँ तो wangi cut कर. Slow, okay? Yes. And Ram also wanted to help, so he's sweeping the floor. Yeah, Ram? Yummy brinjal curry. Yum.
But I don't eat. I don't want to eat.
नहीं ते पनीर को ग्रेवी कर उसने में. Did you go in the temple and did you put the tika?
What's a tikka?
The shloka वाचेवा तू? Yeah.
And I sat on the stage and I followed it.
Very good.
Followed